Yeah, what happened was last night while driving on the way home, suddenly the right front tire had a flat tire. Though I was able to park on the side properly, situations like this kind of challenging because first it's already dark, second it's kind of cold, and it was raining. And one thing that I should be thankful for that time was that I have that extra sets of tools for tire removal. I have that prepared because we're planning of long trip. I have the alligator um, hydraulic jack and also the power impact driver. Availability of that tools helps expedite the removal and replacement of the tire with the spare tire. And also, one of the things that was able to locate the spare tire that was under the van, so that helps a lot. So I went to Walmart to buy this Deluxe Tire Plug kit, and it's really affordable. It's only $7, and what's inside this kit? It has the plugger, the plug, and a glue or plugger bond, and also the reamer that will make the hole a little bit wider, and you just have to do it in and out in there to roughen the side. I'll show you, and this is really easy to do it yourself. And by the way, this is the reamer. This is the one that will tap the hole a little bit wider, and this is the plug. So it's like a thread that will be thread to the eye of this plugger tool, and thread it like this. And this is the plugger bond or the glue. Here we go. Let's open this box. This kit is Deluxe Plug Tire Kit. And let's take this reamer. There's plugger tool, and we'll take one of this plug. It's threaded on the eye of this plugger tool. And this is the glue. Right. Kind of stick on this plastic thing. So let's thread it on the eye of this plugger tool and thread it like this. And let's locate the puncture hole of this tire, and let's take any nails that's causing it, since that I already removed it earlier. And let's try to tap this with this reamer. So you do it in and out to make it bigger. So to make the side of the whole wrapper also, and make the hole a little bit wider. And then let's add put more glue in there. Don't be cheap. Just put generous amount of this glue. Make it stick in there. And let's push that in there. Stop pushing when the plug is 2/3 of the way into the hole. Pull the plugger tool straight out of your tire with a rapid motion, leaving the plug behind. Do not twist the needle. The plugger tool has a slit at the tip. That is why when pulling out, the plug will remain on the tire. And that's the tail of the plug. No need to cut it. It will just detach when the tires rolling or running. If you don't have an inflator like me, then you can go to the gas station to fill this with air. So we can reinflate this to the recommended pressure. So I already filled this with air, so I reinflated with 35 psi, and that's the tail of the plug, and it will just detach as this tire rolling or running. And there you go, that's it. There you go. After I fill up the tire with air, so I just put it back, and now there's the tail of that plug, so it will just detach as the tire be rolling, running. So that's it.